Hey, it's Clayton. This will be a video chart on Ethereum. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. If you watch this video on Friday, then not a whole lot of new things to talk about, but definitely confirmation going forward. And I get it, crypto markets are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, 12 hours, 15 hours from now, yeah, the chart may look different, but my goal is to keep this video for relevant for as long as possible. And in order to do that, I'm just going to make sure to talk about more so broad levels and then walk through some kind of key overall questions. Now, the first point of confirmation, first question you should ask yourself has everything to do with this purple line, the 50-period simple moving average. Now, this definitely means more to those of you that have watched the past videos because, over the past basically couple of weeks, I've talked about this time and time again as a level of resistance. And surprise, surprise, you can see here in the very near term. In fact, right now, the current candle that is forming right there has done battle with that purple line and just continues to struggle to push through it and be able to get up above it. So the first question you need to ask yourself when you pull up the video is, okay, well, where does the price currently stand relative to that purple line? If the price is still down below it, then, I'm not going to say it's the end of the world, but if the price is up above it, well, then, hey, in that situation, the current status of the chart would be, a breakout is underway. A breakout of what? Well, again, that moving average, that is definitely a very significant area to get up above, but more importantly, stay up above, because as past history has shown, breaking up above it is not necessarily a problem. Right there, the price broke up above it, but then the price couldn't maintain, fell back below it. Right there, actually broke up above it, couldn't maintain, fell back below it. Once more right there, broke up above it, and you're getting the idea of the trend, but could not maintain, fell back below it. So just because the price is above that purple line, the main thing is going to be, well, let's see if the price can stay up above it. I do plan on coming back and doing, a video for 24 hours from now. So that'll be one of the key things that I'm going to be wondering about is, first off, we'll assume that the price actually does get above that purple line. But if it does, 24 hours from now, is the price still going to be up above it? That'll be the interesting thing to see. The other question to ask yourself is, okay, well, where does the price stand relative to 270? If you're watching this video 15 hours from now and the price is at, 264, 260, at that point, that would be a sign, and that would tell you that at that current junction in time, the bears have pressed down further, and the bears have, pretty much regained control of the entire chart. But so far, so good. 270 is holding strong, and we'll see if that can continue or not going forward. So the two data points, like I said, keep this video, relevant for as long as possible. Keep an eye on that purple line, the 50 period, and then also keep in mind on that key area of support, the $270 mark. So yeah, let's see how the next 24 hours plays out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.